Assalamu alaikum. This is Suman Khan, your English language instructor, and today I'm back again with another amazing videos with some of my favorite idioms and phrases that can help you sound more like a native speaker. So the first one is walk a mile in my shoes. Walk a mile in my shoes means to go through the situations that I have gone through or to live a life that I have lived and then decide. Okay? For this, we can say a person who has not walked a mile in my shoes has no right to comment. Or you can also say, before you judge her, walk a mile in her shoes. Next, ask me no secrets, I'll tell you no lies. It means if you don't ask me anything personal, I don't have to lie. Or if you ask me anything personal, I will have to lie. Okay? So, for this, you can say, stop asking me these questions, or should I say, ask me no secrets, I'll tell you no lies. Next, ate and left no crumbs. Ate and left no crumbs means it did something with perfection or flawlessly. So, she was looking amazing at the party. I can say she ate and left no crumbs. Okay? Next is add fuel to the fire. It means to make a bad situation worse. So, by revealing the secret, she added fuel to the fire. Okay? Next, spill the beans. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret. Okay? So, she spilled the beans about the surprise birthday party before we could stop her.